Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. I'm here with Jenny, and Jenny just drove in, and you're here for your first hair transplant.
Yes, I am.
How excited are you?
I'm just excited to get started and just see improvement in a couple of months coming up.
Definitely, and you had a long history of wearing braids when you were a child, and you noticed gradually your frontal hairline,
Yes,
just gradually the hair started falling out?
exactly.
Okay,
Yeah.
well, this is only the beginning. We will follow you throughout this entire journey. We'll draw out a hairline now. Then we'll bring you into the procedure room. So let's start the day and have a great day.
I'm ready.
Awesome. So I'm back with you, Jenny, and we just got done drawing out the hairline, which I love the hairline that you chose. Pretty much followed your natural hairline.
Yes.
And we went ahead and shaved the area clean so that we have a clean area to work in. How easy was that part of the procedure?
Great. Just
You've been
smooth.
and you've been so compliant. You've been great. So this has been quite an enjoyable first part of the procedure, and now we're gonna enter the procedure room.
All right.
All right, here I am with Jenny. How has the first half of the day been?
Okay, except for the anesthesia after that, it's been smooth.
The anesthesia for the first 5 or 10 minutes is definitely the worst, but you made it out like a superstar.
I did.
And how are you feeling right now?
Good.
We've been listening to some really relaxing music.
Yeah.
We jam-packed that front. I cannot wait for everybody to see the pictures. This is still only the beginning. We're going to start placing the hair follicles in,
Okay.
and then we'll take a lunch break.
All right.
So here I am with Jenny. How was your day? How was lunch?
My day was amazing. I can say for most part, except from the beginning, like I told you with the anesthesia. Other than that, everything went smooth. The lunch was okay. The staff is amazing. Everything is just like neat and clean. I love it.
And you had amazing donor hair. So the results that we are going to see with you in 1 year, and I cannot wait to go ahead and put the before and after pictures together in a year from now, but your results are gonna be amazing.
Yeah, I'm looking forward.
I'm so happy that you had a relaxing day. I'm so happy that it went as expected. I am gonna call you tomorrow to check up on you. You have my personal cell phone number,
I do.
and I'm gonna be with you through this entire journey.
All right.
And I thank you so much for trusting in myself, the Siegel team, and Natural Transplants, and we look forward to amazing results.
Oh, thank you too for making this so smooth. Cause
And-
I was nervous at first, but then I kind of eased into it.
You were amazing. You were great during the entire procedure. Even during the anesthesia, you took it like a pro.
I tried.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.